Today I have a very special video. That is Bella Hadid's video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Piia Tamare, and today's video is about one of my most favorite inspirational models, Bella Hadid. A couple months ago, Bella Hadid won the Model of the Year at the British Fashion Awards. But I want to take it back to when I first fell in love with Bella's personality. We all remember Bella Hadid's 73 questions with Vogue that got us obsessed with her and with horses. Am I the only one? I don't think so. She rocked an equestrian outfit, white t-shirt, white jeans, dark navy blazer with riding boots. She looked absolutely stunning and her aura was everything. So today we are going to try recreating that look and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so jumping right into it, I'm gonna start with a lightweight foundation to even out my skin tone. I am using Luminous Silk by Giorgio Armani. This is a great foundation to create a flawless natural base in order to achieve Bella's natural look. Next, I will mix Hollywood Flawless Filter with Forever Skin Corrector to conceal under my eyes. The Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury will provide a radiant and smooth finish to my skin to match Bella's radiance and glow. I usually spread it using my concealer brush first, but then I make sure to go over it with a beauty blender so that it is fully blended into my skin. Bella Hadid is known for her sculpted and defined cheekbones. Using Patricta contouring palette, I'm gonna draw 3 lines on each side of my face. One is at the hollows of my cheeks, then along my jawline, and last at the side of my temple. It's important to blend everything well, but not too much, and make sure you use a light hand when contouring to avoid any harsh lines. And if you are bad at contouring your nose just like me, I have the best hack for you. With whatever product left on your brush, apply it down the bridge of your nose with just one straight line, like so. And before you freak out, using a light concealer that it is 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, draw another line on the bridge of your nose, and voila! That's how you contour your nose. It's that easy. Also, as you can see, I have applied some of this concealer at the inner and outer corner under my eyes. This will give us the lift and the fierce effect that Bella has. At this point, be careful not to apply too much concealer as this can crease. Now moving on to the eyes, I'll be using Dior Backstage eyeshadow palette to create a soft smoky effect. Using a round brush, I will apply ombre to first sculpt the eye, following the crease line as my guideline. Next, I will be using matte charcoal. Bella has it at the outer corner of her eyes, just over her crease. So this is exactly where I'm gonna be placing it and blend it outwards. And then fluff it out to tone it down, of course. Using shimmer brown, I will draw an eyeliner as close as possible to my lashes. Then using my fingers, I will apply gold highlighter all over my eyelids. And of course, shimmer beige at the inner corner of my eyes. For my eyebrows, I will be filling them in. I usually brush them up, fill the gap, then brush them down and do the same. I also usually like to set them with a brow gel. I am using Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. After curling my lashes, I like to finish off with a coat of mascara. I am using Jane Iredale. This is a favorite of mine. It is so creamy and non-clumpy mascara that glides and coats the lashes evenly for a fuller yet natural look. Before moving on to the rest of my face, I will be highlighting my brow bone with Benefit High Brow Duo Pencil, as this is a Bella's signature. Moving on to the lips, Bella Hadid has a soft nude lipstick with what it seems like a glossy finish. So I will be using my most loved lip liner, as you can see. It's Samoa, but you can use Lip Cheat by Charlotte Tilbury for a similar shade. I will outline my lips, then add some gloss. I am using a mini gloss nourishing oil by Item. Adding a touch of warmth to my cheeks with this peachy pink tinted blush by Laura Mercier. I will then connect the full look with some bronzer. I am using the powder side in the same contouring palette I used earlier by Patrick Ta. And lastly, I will highlight my cheekbones using Flawless Filter for a subtle glow. And here you go, that's the makeup look. Now let's break down the outfit. In Vogue's 73 Questions video, Bella Hadid is seen sporting a chic and sophisticated equestrian-inspired outfit. She looked effortlessly stylish in fitted white skinny jeans paired with a white slim fit dress shirt. I am wearing mango skinny push-up jeans in size 2 with a white button-down shirt that I have owned for a while. Accessorizing the outfit, Bella wears a thin black Gucci belt with a gold buckle that adds a touch of classic elegance to the look. I have this thin belt from Aldo that works perfectly. In that video, Bella is seen wearing a dark blazer. I have this X-tie blazer with gold buttons that complements the belt buckle. The cut also gives it a sophisticated vibe, and even when you close it, it just looks so good. This piece on its own solidifies the equestrian look. But for the sake of this video, I will be wearing something that exactly matches Bella's look in Vogue's vlog. I have this dark navy blazer from Susie Shear, and it does the job wonderfully. Completing the outfit is a pair of knee-high black boots with a low heel. Bella's boots have a sleek, polished finish and feature a small silver buckle on the side. Thankfully, I have a pair of Anisha knee-high boots to match the look. The overall outfit is a perfect blend of comfort, style, and practicality. It's perfect for a day of horseback riding or any other outdoor activities. Now, if you want to cater the look for more casual occasions, you can replace your shoes with a pair of mid-heel leather boots. Mine are from Avellini. These boots are so comfortable and easy to walk in. Honestly, this look is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of equestrian-inspired style to their wardrobe. Okay, there's one more place I need to take this outfit to. I think we pulled off this look, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Bye.